Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute girl ninja. So here you can see that I'm using my red pen to draw a cute girl ninja. I'm starting with her head. I'm using a little bit of black color. Now I'm using my thin black pen to draw her eyes. Okay, now let's continue coloring with my red pen. I'm using my black pen again. She's holding a big sword. I'm drawing her belt with the same black pen. Let's draw her pants. To draw her shoes, I'm using my black pen again. Now I'm using a pale orange pencil to color her skin. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.